In today's video, I will be showing you how to color code your tabs here in the Google Sheets mobile app using your Android phone. So color coding your tab is only possible with the Android phone. Unfortunately, that's not available with iPhone users. So if you're trying to organize your tabs, one way of doing that would be putting in some color codes. So for this one, I have 3 tabs right here. This is the first one, second one, and the third one. So if I want to add a color for these tabs, what I'm going to do would be to tap on the arrow pointing down or our drop down menu right there. Here we have it, and you'll see one of the options would be your tab color. Right now there's no color for this tab, so if we tap on this one, now we can select any color that we want for that tab. Let's match it with our table header right there, so that is a green one. And I'm going to select this one right here, or maybe the darker one. There we go. Go back. There you have it. You've selected that tab color for that tab or for that sheet. And if we go back, there you have it. You'll see the difference that this one is colored and these ones are not. Let's do the same thing with our second tab right here. Again, tap on the drop down. Go to tab color. On the right side, just tap on it. Then select the color that you want for that tab. Again, we're going to match it with our table header right there. I think that's the color. Go back. And there you have it. So now we have matched the color of our table headers for our sheets or tabs right here. One last time, just select the tab that you want to color code. Tap on the drop down. Go to tab color. Again, just select the color that you want to apply for this sheet or tab. There we go. Maybe this one. Go back. And there you have it. We have successfully organized our tabs by adding some tab colors right here. And there you have it. That's how you can add color code to your tabs here in the Google Sheets mobile app using your Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.